Implicit differentiation. One more example before we leave. So it's still in the chapter of implicit differentiation, not even related to rates.
One more example before we leave. We just got here.
No, before we leave the whole chapter 2. We're going to the chapter 3, logarithmic stuff and
I'm sorry.
exponential stuff. We're not leaving the classroom. You stuck here. You stuck here with me. So let's do implicit differentiation. You guys, this is product rule, U times V, and this is where people stuck. Solution. You use product rule formula. I teach U prime V times U V prime. Differentiate x, that gives you 1. Copy sine, that gives you sine. Copy x, that gives you x. Differentiate sine, and this is where people stuck. Derivative of sine is cosine, but every time you differentiate something with y, dy over dx, or y prime, pops out. Outside of sine or cosine. So this is derivative of sine. This dy times over dx is outside of the cosine. It's not inside. It's times the derivative of the function inside. But derivative of y is y prime.
Oh, because of the chain rule.
Because of the chain rule, yes. Good job. Chain rule. Minus. Again, when you differentiate something with x, you do it normally because x is independent variable. When you differentiate something with y, dy over dx pops out because y depends on x. Y is dependent variable. 4 times 4 is 16y cubed times dy over dx. You see? It pops out from the complicated function y. 13 gives you 0 equals 2 because 2x gives you 2. Now, collect terms that are multiplied by the thing you're looking for, and you're looking for dy over dx. Look what I'm going to do. I will factor out dy over dx right away. Factoring out means dividing by that thing. So when this first blue part is divided by dy over dx, I will have x times cosine y left. This part. This part stays. Minus this part, minus 16y cubed dy over dx, factor out dy over dx, gives you minus 16y cubed. See what I did? I factored out right away, and that's how you can speed up on the test. Equals, everything is garbage, move it to the right hand side. It doesn't have dy over dx, you don't need it. 2 is already on the right hand side, minus sine. It was on the left hand side, moved to the right hand side, sine y. So this got moved to the right. The answer follows right away after this. Dy over dx is this right hand side over the brackets. So you can start typing in the answer into the program, or you can choose the multiple choice question if it's on the exam. 2 minus sine y over x cosine y minus 16y cubed. This is your homework problem, implicit differentiation, which is due tonight. Can you please stop making me DJ music here? Oh, it just turned off. Let me see. Maybe the connection. No, everything looks good. Interesting. Hopefully it will stop. Questions about this implicit differentiation? It looks easy when I do it, but you need to get used to it. You just keep doing it again and again and again. And then when you're stuck, you know what to do. You go to the forum and you post your questions in the forum. Because we do help here. I do help. And then people, top 10 active people, I have it over here. Analytics. Top 10 contributors will get extra credits. Well, like, not me or Asya. So I will choose top 10 and then give you extra credit at the end of the semester. Don't you want extra credit?
I can't believe the top 10.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're top 9. Good job.
I didn't realize what it was.
I'm not precise about it, so if there's like someone super close to top 10, I usually add it up. Top 11, I don't really mind. I check the points if it's like on the same row. So it's nice if you're active in the forum. Be active in the forum. And the forum is fun. I post lots of cool stuff there in all my classes. And memes are funny. How come you don't like our memes? Are you kidding me?
I keep meaning to give them a my own.
Look at this. Calculus students hating all this stuff. Chain rule and quotient rule. So we need to learn logarithm functions today. And then people complaining that we need to learn mortgage and stuff, budgeting, but actually it's really hardcore calculus there. My business students complain about this. So, move on to the chapter 3, which doesn't really have a number, surprisingly, in this book. It's just chapter 3. Beginning of the chapter 3, exponential and logarithmic functions. Review. Let me start a new video.